beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Priya and today we're going to be testing a viral makeup hack. I've seen a lot of people trying it on TikTok, on Instagram. I've even seen my favorite YouTubers trying these on their channel. For me personally, I did create a YouTube video a couple of months ago trying some of the TikTok makeup hacks, and I did try this hack. However, I missed a couple of steps and my makeup really looked patchy, so I didn't like it. However, I did come across another video and I really wanted to give it a shot and to show you guys if this is actually a hack or just a hype. Apparently, it's supposed to give you really full coverage and give you a flawless look. So without wasting a lot of time, make sure to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell button so you're notified every single time whenever I upload a new video. And let's get into the tutorial. So first things first, as you can see, I've already done my eyebrows, I have done my eyeshadow. I was feeling a little glam today because I have been watching a lot of makeup videos these days. Even though I have nowhere to go, I feel like watching makeup videos so relaxing because I love watching makeup transformation, and and every day there's something new to learn, so I enjoy watching makeup videos. Let me know if you do too. The very first thing which we're gonna do is moisturize our face. I have already applied moisturizer and it's really hot outside, so make sure you're going in with a SPF. If your moisturizer has SPF 30 or anything less than that, make sure you're going in with another sunscreen with at least SPF 50 to ensure skin protection. I have already applied sunscreen as well. After moisturizing your face and putting on SPF, the next step is to apply a setting spray. And for today's look, I'm going to be using the Milani Make It Last Original Natural Finish Setting Spray, and I'm just going to spray it all over my face. We're going to use a loose setting powder, and in this case today I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder, and I'm going to apply it all over my face. So I'm just gonna shake it to make sure that I have the product out. I'm going to use a fluffy brush. I'm going to grab the powder and dab it all over my face. So I'm not going to apply too much, just a little bit. Apparently this is supposed to give our face full coverage. This is not my normal routine. I am also trying this for the first time and I can't wait to see the result. So that's all you need. Then I'm going to go in with my holy grail face primer, and that is the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer, and all you need is just one pump. And this is all you need. I'm going to be applying this right on top of the powder. I know it's not my usual drill, but I don't know how to basically use this primer and blend it with my fingers since I already have powder on. So I am just going to use the same powder brush and blend it all over my face. Okay, now this is the best part. This is the part we have been waiting for. I'm going to go in with a clean beauty blender, and for today I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear. This is a foundation with very thin consistency. During the summer days, I absolutely love using this. Just wanted to see if this hack can make this foundation cover even more. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pump 2 pumps of it, and I'm going to use the clean beauty blender, and I'm going to use this side of the beauty blender, dab it on just like that, and oh my god, oh my god, guys, just look at the coverage. My skin looks so smooth. Okay guys, so if you are looking for extra coverage, follow this. Definitely try this hack because the coverage is insane. Really impressed with the amount of coverage I got by applying this process. So what I did, I basically started off with the moisturizer, SPF for sure. Then I used a setting spray, applied a loose setting powder all over my skin. I went in with a hydrating primer, and then I applied foundation. Guys, I am loving this so much. Next, I am going to go in and conceal right underneath my eye area, and for that I'm going to use the Maybelline Age Rewind eraser and gently just apply a little bit on the higher points of my face. Going to spray the beauty blender with the setting spray, and gently I'm going to blend this out. I've seen so many YouTubers using this trick, and I was really scared to try this because applying loose powder and then a face primer, I don't know, it's not my routine, it wasn't my thing. However, since this was going viral and everybody's using this, I was like, why not just give it a shot and see if I like it. And girl, if you're looking for a full coverage and you do not like a foundation with a thicker consistency and you do not want your foundation to look really cakey, use the L'Oreal Infallible foundation. Go in with the powder and go in with this hack, and because I am loving it so much. Next, I'm going to go in with the Morphe bronzer to bring some warmth to my face. I'm just going to dab this on top of my cheekbone, blend it towards your hairline. For highlighter, I'm going to use the Metal Moon highlighter from Fenty Beauty, and I'm just going to apply this on the high points of my face. So I have already applied this on my brow bone and in my inner tear duct, so I'm just going to use a fluffy brush and apply it with this crazy glam eye look. I am feeling a little nude vibes for my lips, so I'm going to quickly line my lips with the Juvia's Place lip liner, and it's in the shade Lux Cola. So I'm just going to line my lips. Lipstick, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss. So glossy, and it smells like candy. Lastly, I'm going to go in with the setting spray again and spray this all over my face to ensure that the makeup lasts me for at least 12 hours. So for that, I'm using the Milani Make It Last Original Setting Spray. And then I'm going to just quickly let it dry. Can you guys see how flawless my face looks? If you are somebody who does not like using a full coverage foundation on a daily basis, for me personally, I do not like full coverage foundation on a daily basis. That's why I use L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation, because when you apply it on your skin, you can barely feel that you're wearing anything. If you're somebody who actually tried this hack, let me know how it worked for you. Because for me personally, I am absolutely loving it. Let me know if you guys try it and if you liked it, because girl, I think I am going to make a change to my routine and definitely add this. So that was it, guys. I really enjoyed creating this video for you guys. And yes, it is a hack. It is not just a hype. A lot of the other YouTubers have already been using it for years and years, and I'm glad I tried this today. I'm definitely adding this to my makeup routine. So if you like the video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you're notified every single time whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.